Welcome to About Gadgets. Today we'll have a quick look on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 features. The cover screen comes with 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, and the main screen comes with 7.6-inch QXGA dynamic AMOLED display with the same refresh rate of 120Hz. Now let's talk about the rear cameras. The rear cameras come with 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel wide angle and 10 megapixel telephoto camera. It comes with the power pack of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. The mechanism of the fold is too much refined. It comes with intelligent features like Scene Optimizer. Also, the taskbar changes the way you use the fold. The split keyboard helps you to enhance the type speed. Now the main screen display is too much brighter for watching videos. We have also recorded the screen to make you feel how it works. The bigger screen helps you to make notes while watching the videos.